Hey YouTubians, Gary here at VW Jawbreaker. Welcome back. You know, it's not very often I can say this, but what a beautiful day here in Florida. 62 degrees already this morning. And just in case you're wondering, yes, still got the shorts and flip-flops. I'm a Florida boy, and I love cold weather. This is beautiful. So in today's video on the 1960 Volksrod Baja Franken Beetle build, we're going to continue on to the next step. The last video, we got the front end all done. We got it in primer. We got the big tires on the front. Front end's pretty much straight. I mean, we got to take it apart later, clean it, put some new bearings and redo the beam and all that jazz, redo the steering, but it's mocked up, it's functional, everything's working great. So what we need to do now is we need to go ahead, I got the doors off, didn't take much, they kind of just fell off. But we need to go ahead and brace the body, get the body ready to separate from the pan. So I'm going to use some whatever material I have laying around. We'll go ahead and brace the body, get that up, and then next step will be pulling the body. One thing at a time, guys, one thing at a time. Do me a favor, make sure you check out the description below. We got merchandise links. Pick yourself up a Jawbreaker shirt, coffee mug, whatever you want. Got stickers on there as well, along with links to other great YouTube channels you should also check out. So, right after the intro, we'll go ahead and juggle everything around and get ready to get started on the 60. You know what? I think we might go ahead and put those other tires on the back just to see how it looks. Well, we'll have to roll it forward a little bit. Basically, they're kicking out just a little bit, you know, the whole swing axle thing. Now I do have a long axle transmission, so those tires will be pushed out a little bit more. Once an engine goes in it, it rolls forward, they will straighten up. But there we go. Kind of gives you a nice little look. Rear will come down a little bit when she settles. This should sit pretty level. Man, I'm excited about that. All right, so bracing. Enough playing around, let's get to work. So again, doors are off. So when you take a piece from door frame to door frame, both sides, and a piece going from here over there, so we got to rip out what's left of the headliner. Well, there's no headliner on this side, just that side. So half the work's done. We got all the parts and junk already pulled out of it. So let's get ready to start bracing. Well, everybody kind of messes up once in a while. What can I say? If you're going to switch between gas, MIG, and flux core, make sure you change your polarity around. What do I mean by that? Your positive, negative. I had them swapped. Your positive and negative for your leads. I had them swapped still for flux core and then booger welded a bunch. Couldn't figure out why my beads were not looking good. Whatever. So, it looks like crap, but we have cross brace here, cross brace there, one going here, and then I put some filler ones in just because I had leftover material to help tie the two together besides what's tied to the car. Figured it wouldn't hurt. So now we are pretty much ready to go ahead and start pulling the body off the chassis. Been soaking all of the bolts in PB Blast. Hopefully they come off easy. Or we just use the big impact. Really doesn't matter to me. So, that's how to do it. Just don't follow my welding skills because I don't have any. But it'll hold. So I appreciate you guys being here. Next video, we'll go ahead and start assembling the dolly that we're going to make to hold the body, start pulling the bolts, get this puppy off of here so we can get to work. All right, guys, be good. I appreciate you being here. Thanks for stopping by. The new subs, appreciate you. We'll catch you soon. Be good.